Okay, welcome back. This is part two on how to join multiple clients to a domain. So, the last tutorial, we finished off with assigning IP addresses to both the Windows 2008 and the Windows Vista. And also we tried to communicate and it was successful. So now, on the Vista machine, we will go to My Computer, right click, and go to Properties. Then we'll click here on Change Settings. Then we go to change, click on domain, and type in the domain that we used, which is john.com. Then OK. So we'll type in the username, which I'll put as administrator. And the password will be the same password that we used to log in and also for the domain. And then press OK. So we'll type in the username and go through the password. And here we welcome to john.com story. I will just restart the computer. Restart now. Okay, what we want to do now is going to Windows 2008. We're going to create a new user so the Vista machine would be able. Okay, so what we want to do now is going to Windows 2008 and we'll create a new user so that the Vista machine or any other machine connected on this domain will be able to log in successfully. So we're going to start and then Server Manager, click on Roles, then Active Directory Domain Services, and now Active Directory Users and Computers. Now we'll select the domain and go into Users, right click, and I will put New User. We'll just type in the name, just put Joe here, and we'll press Next. We'll just put in the password, using password, and we'll just go to Next and Finish. As you can see here, the user was created. Done. Now we're going to log on to the Vista machine. This is not the domain that we want to sign into, so we're going to switch user, other user. And if you look below here, it's asking you to log on to the John domain. Put in the username, password. To see if this Vista machine is running on the John domain, we're going to start. Right click on computer and go into properties, and as you can see here, the unit PC is on the john.com domain. Now our second task is to add another VM to this domain. I would use Windows 7. While this is powering on, we'll go to the server machine and add a new client, a new user. So go to Start, then Server Management, Monitor. Go to Roles, Active Directory Domain Services, Active Directory Users and Computers. Click on the domain, click on Users, right click, put in new user, type in the username. For this one I'll choose Shine. next, put in password, go to next again, and finished. Okay, now the Windows 7 is up and running. We will assign our IP address. So go here, right click, then open Network and Sharing Center. So before we do that, we will make sure that all sharing settings are on. So we're going to change advanced sharing settings. Here, turn on Network Discovery, turn on File and Printing Sharing, and by default, and we'll just press Save Changes. Okay, so now we're going to go here in Local Area Connection, we go to Properties, click on Protocol version 4, then Properties, and we're going to use the following IP address. This IP address is 192.168.0.3, subnet mask automatic, and we will use the server's IP address for the default gateway and also the DNS server. So that is 192.168.0.1. And I go to next, okay, and close. Just like before, we like to make sure that the two machines can see each other. So we go to the command prompt and we will ping the Windows 7. 192.168.0.3. And as you can see here, it is successful, so they are able to communicate with each other. We go to the Windows 7 machine and also do the same thing. Go to the command prompt, so just type here cmd and we'll ping the Windows 2008 machine. 192.168.0.1. And it's also successful. So now we're going to add Windows 2007 to the John domain. So we're going to click on Computer, go into Properties, change Settings, and change, and we'll type in the domain, which is john.com, and we'll click on OK. Now we're being welcomed into the john.com domain. Now we'll just restart this machine. We already added a new user to the server domain, so we'll just wait for Windows 7 to load up so we can log on to that domain. Okay, so now I'm going to log in. Now I'm going to switch users, go to other user, type in the name, which is Shari, and the password. Okay, now we'll just make sure that this machine is part of the domain. So we're going to start, right click My Computers, then Properties, and down here, STMPC is on john.com's domain. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this.